Hello to everyone. So today I'll make the headlights. I already imported an image, a reference image to make the rear headlight because it's an R56 I think. It has such a beautiful rear headlight with Great Britain flag. So I'll try to replicate it. We add a single verge, G to move. Where are you? G. 1 to view the vertices. Yeah, G to move it. We'll start here. So E to extrude right up there. Extrude. I will just follow the shape of the headlight. I'll need here a loop cut. GG to move it in the right place. G to connect. Another loop cut to move it up here. I think we can delete for now this edge. 1 to vertices. And continue extruding. So now we will make a face out of it. Did you make the face? Yeah. So Ctrl 1, Alt, select F to make the face free. Let's select both faces and move them there. Rotate along X axis, and I think also rotate along Z axis right about here. So now we can delete or hide our image. We'll continue to edit this. So scale it up. Okay, it looks awesome. Now we need to extrude it on X axis. Wow, on Y axis. Just a little bit. Now to make the room where it stands, we'll Alt select. Select this part, extrude along Y axis. I think I will scale along Y to 0 to make it flat, and I will rotate along Z like that. Make a face, and also I think I will rotate along X axis like that. Okay, looks awesome. Now I think we can unhide all things that I hide it. It comes a little bit out, so 3, Ctrl plus, hide, L to select and move in a little bit. With shift we move very. So now it is good. Now we will go to our front headlights. For this I need to hide it. 2 to go in edge select, Alt select and extrude it. I think I will extrude, and there are no normals, so along Z axis, and then I'll move there and there a little bit. Make a face, of course. Now I like a lot the I think I'll go with headlight like this. Just a ring. It is easier to make. Alt select, shift duplicate, scale it down, extrude and scale it down. Now we can alt select these faces. No? Okay. Just press L and Alt E, extrude along normals. Just a little bit. Now we can see here is headlight lens. So I will try to replicate that. So for that I need to go on perspective, Shift A to add a UV sphere, G to move it, scale down. Okay, scale down. 1. Scale down G to move it right here. Okay, very well. Now we will place a little bit of materials. I'll add a new material. New. This will be front lens. This will be turned off lens. It will be just a glass. So to make glass, I need to make transmission up to the 1 and the roughness to 0. And to see it in Eevee, just go to render and Eevee. I need to enable screen space reflection with refraction, and in material I need to go down and screen space reflection turn on. And also don't forget to apply the material to the wood. Okay, go and assign to make a little bit rougher, and I'll increase IOR a little bit, just like that. Now I'll ring select this, I'll make and this. I think I will go like Ctrl plus and like that, and make a new material. This will be a reflective material. Reflective. Okay. I will go with metallic right up. Of course, a gray color. So we can see the progress right here. Roughness to about 0. And of course assign it. I think it's a little bit dark. Let's preview the material. Yes, it's a little bit dark. I think that's good. Now let's make the glowing part of the headlight. New material. New. I'll call just front. Assign. Okay, let's give it what is emissive? Emission? Yes. And give it a 16 strength. you can see that our reflective material works great. So to finish with that, we need to unhide this external part, and also we see that we need this glowing part to move it a little bit down with shift, of course. Now Ctrl plus and make a new material and name it glass. Assign, it will be a white glass if roughness 0, transmission all the way up to the 1. IOR, I think I will go also the 1. And of course we need, and now go to the rear side. Ctrl plus, let's make the rear glass. New material, rear glass. Assign, of course it will be red, I think. Let me see an example. Not that one. I think it is just like the front one, a transparent glass. Yeah. So just assign glass. Assign it, okay. Now we will hide this. Hide. Select this cool rear headlight. I think I will assign this and rear headlights. Okay, color, of course red. A little bit darker. Red, not pink. Red, okay. But it should be an emission material. So dark red, okay. Strength 16. That looks awesome. And the interior must be black. So go ahead and select this. Select this. UV editing G to move to black. And now let's see. That looks awesome. And I think that is good. So a bonus for this video will be an image render of this car. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the future I'll do some new cool cars. Also subscribe to my Instagram. If you want to help me in developing my new project, just go on patreon.com and donate me something.